Meaning of domain.
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 Domain. Domain refers to a piece of land owned and controlled directly by a lord or noble in feudal times. It distinguishes from lands that are leased or managed by others. The term was widely used in English law and history, especially during the Middle Ages. In modern times, the word is less common but can still be found in legal or historical contexts. Overall, domain describes a particular kind of land ownership in medieval Europe characterized by direct control and personal authority of a noble or lord over a particular territory.